Hello. Good morning or good evening. Or even good night. Yeah, that's me. think you're using C language. No, that's Rust. Oh. Yep, it is. Yo, what up, Plankton? How you doing? Nice. Coding a robot. Wow. Yeah, that sounds fun. What will it do? Kill all humanity or something? Learning assembly. That sounds kind of less fun. Do the paint lines. Oh. Oh yeah. So it has like a camera and some wheels, I guess. Add mega controller. No idea what that is. Well, I guess with assembly, right? Oh. Oh yeah, what kind of sucks if you had to use assembly? But why are you learning it, I wonder? Okay. I mean, like, why? What kind of, like, what kind of, what's the word?
You know they're out there, don't you?
Like a specialty or whatever do you have? Like, what exactly are they teaching you? Like, overall? Because when I was studying, mine was more inclined toward math and stuff. It was called, like, I don't know, something about math and computer sciences. So we had a lot of math classes. Yeah, weirdly that like regular software engineering teaches you assembly. Cause like, who the fuck uses it? Like, what would you use it for? Does this look like Python to you? We're obsessed. Sri Lanka called Ceylon. Never knew that. You don't want to dox yourself. I'm still working on shop UI, trying to implement selling and buying, but right now I'm working on UI layout. What's the autobattler? The coolest autobattler in the world, you know. Oh wait, it's fine. Is it? Yeah. I can just like draw whatever. No. how the user created content is gonna integrate the game loop. It's basically, so the main thing would be like collecting units that like spawn in the common world. So there will be some kind of a cycle where players first like create units, then there will be a bunch of like featuring of it or like moderating by like votes and stuff. And so like let's say every week a bunch of units, a bunch of like top units will be just added to the world, and people will basically explore the world to try to find them and like collect them. So you will be basically like collecting Pokemons, and from them you build your own team. And yeah, at some point those units will be added as like the main game units, which would be the ones that are offered to you in the shop when you're playing the like autobattler part of the game. So yeah, that's kinda how I'm thinking it's gonna be. Dude, why the fuck does this layout doesn't work? Like what? Wait, didn't I do something for it to work before? Or if I zoom in? No. I don't get it. Oh, maybe. Okay, what if I do this? Oh, now it works. So it like replaces the layout? Okay, what if I do this? The encounter is gonna be with single units or full teams? Yeah, it will be like single units, but they will be like a teams of the same unit. I'm thinking like you'll probably encounter like some units will be stronger and you'll have to do a bunch of rounds where with each rounds the same unit gets like replicated so you might face like 5 of the same unit, for example. And it will be a lot about like managing the HP of your own team. So after every battle, the HP, whatever HP you lost of your own units will stay the same. So yeah. I don't know, we'll see, we'll have to like experiment. Okay, what if I do center justified and bottom up? Fuck. Oh, fucking GUI layouts, man. Yeah, I guess. I don't think it's like really that bad. That like some battles will be trivial. Like I don't know, when you play some like MMORPG, it's not like most of your PvE fights are kind of easy. So I don't know, but there's still a lot of ways to like make it a bit harder and more interesting. So that's just what I'm thinking right now. Die in real life. No. I think it will just have like 0 HP and you will not be able to use it until you heal it. Dude, why is fucking working with child UI so weird always? Okay, but bottom up without the justify seemed to work. Okay, so what if we do it like this? Yeah. But I want it to be justified, like what the fuck? Wait, so center and justified is because it says direction top down. So if we do with layout, bottom up, center. So if we do like this. Wait, what? Oh yeah. It's not bottom up. Center justified. And bottom up. Why is it like this? Where and what is this? Stop down. What the fuck is cross justify? Oh, it gets justified with both axes? Cross a line. Oh, I guess one of them should be false. Okay, so I can do this, maybe? Wait, what? With cross justify. Fucking... Oh. True. Fucking finally. Okay. This fucking took a while. Yeah, okay. So now I can place the unit here. There's a game called Ouroboros Skiing. Huh. Let's see the trailer. I like the name. Oh, the reviews are not that great. Chess-based roguelike. Seems like it's just chess with like more pieces. Why would we want that if we have Into the Breach already? I wonder what people are saying. portals ruin the game. Was this ever playtested? Yeah, it seems like it needs some more work. The way you gain units is by defeating a team and you win the king of that team. Oh. Yeah, actually. That's a good idea. I just, you know... Yeah, I think you're right. So there might be just like... yeah, so there would be like one unit that you can like catch. And the rest of the team would be like generated, like filled up with like regular units that you cannot catch. Yeah, this would make it all like more interesting, and it's a better way to like scale difficulty. Yeah, there's a lot of ways we can actually generate the like PvE teams, so we'll definitely like experiment with that. But I like this idea better. I feel like some battles should be like trivial and some should be harder. Even if it's like the same unit. I feel like if we have like a lot of them. So basically, in the world battles, it would be not as much about winning and more about managing the health of your units as a resource. So like for you, it would always be, you would always be trying to lose 0 HP of your own units. But yeah, we'll have to like try it out. I think like with this concept it's really good because we can like try a lot of things. I feel like I will like before I like release the game, we'll do some kind of beta testing for like a month or two and see what is fun. Maybe there will be like some like elite battles where there is like a really hard team that gets generated and you'll have to like solve it as a puzzle kinda. Yeah, maybe. There's also like we could like also modify the units, maybe give them some default status effects. So like some unit might get generated with a shield already, and it will always have a shield starting up in your team. So there's like one way. Another way is we can do like items, which is like a thing I want to explore. They could like for example, they could work just like units, but without a unit. So maybe at the start of battle it could like give a shield to each of your unit, or like the unit in the first slot could get buffed in some way, or maybe it could even deal damage to enemies. Like there is like, we can do anything. And so imagine like if those items would get randomly generated, and yeah, there's like a whole new world that opens up. Potions. Yeah, actually. Some consumables, right? Yeah. So like if you have some really hard battle, you're like, okay, I'm gonna use this and this. I'm gonna buff it like that. Like it gets way deeper. Cursed necklace. Yeah, dude. Oh, actually, cursed items are really fun too. We could even have like cursed potions, and maybe like some things where you have to like sacrifice your own unit. Like maybe some cursed item, and in order to use it, you have to like kill your own guy, like, or something. Yeah, that's like insane how much more mechanics we can think of just by adding this like meta layer of gameplay. Of course I will. Ritual manuscript. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, like the coolest thing is that we can do like some kind of dungeons, you know? Just like imagine you go like with your friends and you're like deciding who to sacrifice or something. Like group battles would also be kind of easy to do. I already like keep that in mind when I plan the architecture. It's like it's so cool to like get like to a place with the game where it seems like it's making itself, you know, like you get like a bunch of idea and they're all just like obvious and you're just like exploring it. I remember like I used to watch a lot of Jonathan Blow's talks. He has a lot of like talks about like game design and stuff from like many years ago, and he was talking about that like with prototyping the game, where just like some ideas you just come to it like it's like digging for gold, you know. You just get a little bit of dirt out and there is like more and more gold that you just have to dig out. when you travel, how do you bring your team in a backpack? Yeah, kinda. You'll have an inventory, but I also I feel like your team, like your current team, will actually like follow you. So like I have this. It's just a circle right now, but this will be like your hero, and it will have like some unique visuals that you can configure. But like your team will be like a bunch of circles that just follow you. So whenever you see some like other player in the world, you will see his like main team right now, his current team. Where you get a bigger team, you need to unlock a bigger backpack. Yeah, there's probably should be some way like to expand your team, but I was thinking more like I mean, yeah, you probably backpack. I feel like is more for the storing, and the team is like a separate entity that you can. Yeah, probably there should be a way to like expand your backpack. But I feel like a team should just be one entity. Or something, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, there should be a lot of ways to like progress. And it definitely feels good to expand your backpack and carry more stuff. Okay, I feel like the layout is getting there. So we can try to actually implement the... Wait, why does it sell? It should say buy. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I already have the cell reducer. Yeah, this circle represents the hero, which is basically you. But the units are also circles, but they will be smaller. I didn't work with it. I didn't implement that part yet. I just worked on the moving around. It'd be cool if you could split your team, so could. You mean like have a bunch of different teams? Yeah, you probably be able to do that. That's the way it was before in the previous iteration of the game. I mean, as you can see, like it's windows, and you can scale them however you want. Like you can even do it like this. This can fit on your watch. Imagine playing the game on your watch. But yeah, this is kind of why I decided to use like windows. So like everything is a window, and you can like full size it, like, you know. Here is like the battle. Oh wait, why does it? Okay, something fucked up. It gets for some reason it gets like increased. I don't know why. It didn't do that before. But yeah, basically everything can get resized however you want. Each circle, one militia commander and the team. I mean, there is no reason to like have a bunch of teams at the same time. I feel like it would be more like in Pokemon, where you just decide which one to like use in battle. I mean, it's kind of different there in terms of you use a bunch of ones in the same battle, but here you will be just selecting one of your teams as main or something. You can basically like switch up for each battle, right? So if you feel like a different composition will work for this battle, you just click and change it. Hero is basically you can so the way I wanna do it is you will get a bunch of customization options for, like, for example, for your achievements. So maybe if you've became the arena champion, you get like an achievement and a new representation as a reward, like maybe some like crown or something. If you're a supporter of the game, if you're a patron, you will also get a certain, like maybe a star that you can customize, maybe like change size and color, and you'll basically create a composition of the things that you have earned, and everyone will see that. Okay, let's see if the buying works. It does not. Duplicate unique column. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. I need to remove the old one. Wait. Explore multiple places. Well, that's sounds kinda insane. But interesting. I mean, it's definitely, like, it can be done for sure. But yeah, we're getting kind of in a crazy territory here. So like you could maybe switch like your camera to like wherever. I mean, I don't know. At some point it might get just too complicated. We need to think about what kind of a problem does it solve. Does sound cool, but we don't want to do features just for the sake of features. because players just might get overwhelmed. This idea kind of works good if your like if your heroes just explore the world automatically, so you just like send them into some exploration journey. Like there are some games like that, but if you have to do it manually, just like switching between them could get really overwhelming. Like most people would probably just focus on one, and then you'll feel like you're not playing the most optimally. Wait, so to buy, I just need to edit this. Wait. Notes. So I just have to set this one field, so I don't need to put everything back into the table. I just need to... Yeah, there probably should be some kind of like update function. Excuse me. Yeah, that's like a really common mistake in game design. People are just like, they get super excited about a bunch of features that they can do. But that's a really easy way to make it less fun. Like a perfect game should be just elegant in its design, where it doesn't have anything extra. So like if you want to add a feature to the game, there is like a good rule to it should have at least like 3 different uses, and they should all like expand on the experience that a player can have. I just seen like so many games just get ruined by unnecessary features. There is like one game that I really loved. It's called Kingdom. I don't know how to like... Oh yeah, that I think that's it. Yeah. Kingdom to Crowns. Yeah, the game is like super great. In like it was. Is there like a video I can show? Kingdom Classic. Yeah. So this one, like, dude, I loved this game when it just came out, but then the developer fucking ruined it. So like this is the classic one. Dude, the soundtrack in this game is so great. I just fucking love it. And like the aesthetics, the pixel art, it's just so great. But it's like super minimalistic. So you can just go left and right. And you basically build... It's like a tower defense kinda. 1D tower defense, I would call it. So you just walk around, you build your base, you build walls. And all you can do is like collect these coins and then put them somewhere, and then you get attacked, by these guys. And so like first of all, the developer ruined it by making it easier. like for me, like the best experience was there's like you get waves, and every day you at night you get attacked by these guys, and if they destroy your base, you basically lose. And so first of all, the like it was really fun because every 5 days you have like blood moon where you get attacked by a lot stronger guys. And first time I played, I just get shit on the day 5, and I was like super motivated to like beat it, you know. And it was fun in a way how hard it was. And then the guy made it easier, and so when I like told my friend to play the game, he just, you know, he did a lot of mistakes, but he still didn't lose, and he was like, what the fuck, like it's not as interesting. And it was like right after the update where he made the game a lot easier. So that's like one thing. But then he made Kingdom 2 Crowns, which is basically the same thing, but you just go at some point you just travel to another island, and like it's basically like the same game, but you just do the same shit over and over. And I was like, why? Just like there was no reason to it. It's kind of like, I guess, made it more like replayable, but I just felt kind of weird because the way how minimal the game was like the whole charm for me. And yeah, it just made it like repetitive. And actually, I wonder what the reviews are on the 2 Crowns. Yeah, so this is, I don't know, it's still like about 90, so I guess people still liked it. But like, yeah, so this I guess, oh, like, okay, I guess they've added like a lot more shit. I don't know, maybe I'm like too harsh about it. When I played it, it didn't have this much content, so okay, I mean. But I guess like a better example would be Hotline Miami, where like the sequel I just liked so much less. Like it had like a bunch of new characters with like, I don't know, the first one was so minimal, it's just perfect. And the second one, it's like, I don't know, they went into the narrative more, and like I just liked it way less, but it had more features. The only thing that will allow is faster access to timed events in specific place in the world. Yeah, kinda. But I feel like the way that it like would pressure you to get to certain place at certain time, I don't know. I feel like that's kind of the charm of it. Because the limitations do make it fun, I guess. Okay, so what do I want to do? Yeah, so this one should have an ID, and I should just be able to update it by this ID. So let's put this in the macro. Or maybe not the macro. Okay. So I just probably do. Wait. Maybe update should be. No, not here, not stable. Yeah. So we have insert. And we should also have update. And it should be, yeah, it's kind of should be the same. But with update. ID. Ah, wait, no. It should be key. Yeah. Yeah. And then we say nodes domain match update c.id c.kind. Wait, what am I doing? It can just accept. It can just be this. Node.id node. Why is there no kind? Her? Oh, there is no kind. I guess I didn't implement it in the server macro. Okay, I mean, I'll let them think. But I'll probably need to change the thumbnail. I don't know, whatever. I don't think. Like, actually, for some reason, one of my stream recordings got like 600 views, and it was like the only time it happened. I don't know why. But it didn't have like, oh, maybe it, no, it didn't have a weird thumbnail. It was my game or my code or something. Where is it? What the fuck? Oh, really? Holy shit. Yeah, YouTube started to love me for some reason. But I don't complain. Where the fuck is... It's not in this trade. Oh wait, I remember. here. Yeah. But then it should be on the server. Not kind. So it should be here. Oh, it's because this is a trait. Yeah. Get not kind. Oh wait, it should be impul. Yes. And then get not kind. Shit. Oh. Parentheses. Oh yes, I can do it. Okay. Note that kind. Get data. Oh, not reference. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Now we put it here and here. Match. Yes. And now here we can just say update SC. Yes. And the same for this. All right. Let's publish. More free advertising. Yeah, but I need to start to make some more videos. I really want to start doing it weekly, but I'm thinking about it for like past fucking 2 years. But this year I will get to it one way or another. Right, let's see. So when I press buy, is this the old one? Yeah, it's the old one. I think it's not updated, but if I open it again, yeah, okay. So yeah, it's not displayed, but it did manage to buy. Maybe it should render like an empty slot, but whatever. So now if we go, fuck, I deleted it. I thought it was a select. Okay, insert, open, buy. Let's see. No. Match. It should be. Wait, two of. Oh, yeah, because it's the sold. And this one became sold. Yes, that means it's working. Alright. All right. Great. And that will be it for now. Actually, I'm not gonna be back today because I'll go visit my parents. So yeah, today only one stream, but I'll be back tomorrow. So thank you for watching, guys. It was nice talking to you. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. So have a good day or good night, and I'll see you later. Alright, bye bye.